Once you have purified yourself by covering your body with the Y shapes, you will then need an object to concentrate your spiritual powers. Think of it like an antenna or a power plug, a way of establishing a strong connection. While size really doesn't matter, it would be best to have your Y pole about 5 feet tall. But again, it really doesn't matter, and it's your choice. But you have to ensure on one thing though, and that is, to respect and dispose of the Y pole once the ceremony is done. And to make sure that the Y pole that you have just set up is strong enough to withstand the whole ceremony. Well, you can also use some fresh flowers, like these, and you can color your Y pole with any choice of your color. But just remember one thing: follow your instincts, and the Spirit will guide you to your right choices.